for being dead. I couldn't cry. I cried late. I don't know, maybe 2 days. Everything was over. All his aunts and relatives had gone home, and he was in his room from shock. Our house was quiet, like never before. Then there was a knock at the door. It was that stupid coolie who used to sell vegetables. Where's your mommy? I couldn't answer him at first. Then he said again, "Girlie, where's your mommy?" Then I just said dead and sat down and cried. He sat there watching me until I told him, "Footsack, go away!" It was at that moment that I realized what it meant being dead. Dead was goodbye for keeps. There was something that I wanted to do. But it was too late.